stapled my hand. Horrific accident. Ugh. Stapled my hand right here. Ugh. A lot of blood. Losing a lot of blood. Ugh. No. No. Look at this. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Alright guys, this is an update. I've been working on some time on these panels now, probably a couple days. I sanded everything down first and then added some adhesion promoter, and then we primered it with some filler primer. I added about 2 layers of filler primer and then I blocked the whole thing. I went ahead and circled every single deep scratch. The filler primer took care of most of the scratches, but this thing was really scratched up, so you guys can see that. It's an off-road vehicle, so I still don't care for it to be too perfect, but I want to at least try my best. So I got a lot of work to do. Alright, I went ahead and added a little bit of filler to the areas. So I want to wait till it dries, sand them down, apply another layer of primer and block it. We should be set. And that'll complete most of our plastics. I think I still need like a couple more little pieces, but for the most part, bam. There you go. So this is also going to be flat black. Alright guys, this is after 1 layer of Bondo and I sanded it down. You can see here, these are all the areas that had big scratches on them. I'm going to go ahead and primer it. We'll add 2 layers of filler primer and then we can block it and we should be set. Alright, we're moving on to fixing all these scratches on the rims. If you can see, got a lot of scratches here all the way around. Already went ahead and sanded the high spots, so now we can just add some filler to all these little pits here. Good thing is there's nothing really wrong with the inside here, it's just pretty much the outside. Let me show you here too. Little pits here and there, which is normal for a quad. I already went ahead and applied some filler in these areas, you can see there. I'm going to wait till it dries and I'm going to start sanding it down. So I'm going to show you, I finished 1 rim already. I'm going to show you the process of doing it. So first, of course, we sanded everything to get rid of the high spots. Second, we applied some filler all the way around, pretty much where all the deep scratches are, which in this rim it was all the way around. I sanded it all down so you can see the deep scratches there. They're all filled in. Oh, this area here. So I went ahead and taped the tire and we're gonna put some filler primer all over it. Let that dry, put a second layer, let that dry, and then block the whole thing. I'm going to wait till that dries and then I'm going to give it a second coat and then I'm going to block the whole thing and then probably give it a third final primer throughout the whole wheel. This is one that I just finished already. I blocked the whole thing. There's no more scratches anywhere. It's all ready to paint. I'm not going to be doing the back side. There's no scratches on that side. It's all on the front. So this is ready to get some black paint onto it. Alright, I'm going to be changing the brakes now. They still look pretty good. They look like they have plenty of meat. But since I am taking this quad over to Mexico, I want to make sure that it's in tip-top shape. And I don't want to be struggling with finding parts over there. So I'm going to be changing all the brakes, front and back. guys, we're gonna flush our coolant now. I'm gonna drain it from here. All it is an 8mm bolt. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna open up the cap on the top to let it flow. Whoa. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. It's green though. I think I bought a bottle of Yamalube or something like that. Whoop. I'm gonna let that drain. Let me give you guys a quick update of what I've been working on. So, quad is pretty much mechanically all done. We changed all our brake fluid for new one. We changed all our coolant for new one. We changed our oil. We changed all our brakes. So we painted the frame. We're pretty much done with the whole frame section. We wrapped all of this. We fixed our headlights. We put LEDs on here. Let me show you guys. Damn. Put LEDs on there. So she's all set. All we need is the body panels, which I'm working. I'm going to give you guys an update on that. So this is one of our body panels. This is the back one, the rear one. This is the paint that I'm using. 2K Hot Rod Black Satin. And you guys can see how clean this looks. I was going to wrap this, but I decided to just paint it since I'm just doing all that body work on it anyways. And plus, this is really hard to wrap because of all these body lines. Not impossible, but nevertheless it's kind of hard. So I was gonna wrap it if I didn't like how this came out, but look at those results, man. That satin black looks sick, man. I'm very happy with how it turned out. So not only did I paint this side, but I also got the back side to match. So all black. We still need the front side, the front portion, and this is the other side of it. This is the gas tank part. Let me show you the seat. I mean, this part's pretty good condition, but it does have a rip through the side here. So I did buy another one. So I am gonna be reupholstering this. It shouldn't be that hard. I see staples down here. So luckily I have a staple gun. And I'm gonna be reupholstering this whole thing here for another brand new one. It's gonna look pretty sick. you.